Good day, Dacians! This is Teacher Cristel and welcome to our class on Mathematics 2, Episode 15. For today's episode, we will talk about the properties of multiplication and multiplication of whole numbers. Let's start our discussion. The three properties of multiplication are identity property, zero property, and commutative property. Let's start with identity property. This means that when a number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by a number, the product is always the same number. For example, 5 times 1 equals 5, 1 times 23 equals 23, and 9 times 1 equals 9. Zero property is when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Example, 15 times 0 equals 0, 0 times 61, 0, and 8 times 0, 0. Commutative property is changing the order or position of the factors does not change the product. Example, 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 10 times 5 or 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Let's find out the property of the given set of numbers. Number 1. 73 times 0 is equal to 0. Correct. It's zero property. 2. 4 times 2 equals 2 times 4. It's commutative property. Number 3. 73 times 1 equals 73. Identity property. Number 4. 1 times 92 equals 92. It's identity property. Number 5. 6 times 5 equals 5 times 6. It's commutative property. Now, let's study some basic facts about multiplication.